leg. Yeah, you, that's paying no attention whatsoever now. Why don't you grab somebody's leg when they try to dance up down the stage? Wait, what? Don't you? You've had your moment. Get a little heart of a turn. What?
Hello.
That was it. Hello. Is that all you wanted to say?
Just that I've loved you for like 25 years.
Oh, God.
But I've been dragged to you for the last 25 years.
You've been dragged here? Do you want to go home? Do you want us to get you a taxi? Should we call you a cab?
Yeah, she loves you that much. I've been dragged.
Fucking hell. Seriously, I've got this one rubbing my leg, she's like massaging my knee. She's telling me she's been dragged. You need the company. You're not doing yourself any favours here. Look at me, I'm looking at you, I'm beginning to hate you and I don't even know you. You've told me you've been dragged about 25 times. I'm like, fucking hell, drag yourself in then. Well, don't pull me into the audience. I don't think they'd catch me, or they would try and catch me, I'd be too heavy. Oh my God, what have you lot been doing at the front here? Okay, wait a minute, I'm now getting a request to do festivals. You want us to come to Wickerman again? Okay, you tell the promoters and we will come, I promise you. Guys, I know this is we're going to do a lot of chat and shit, but in all seriousness, there's quite a lot of people here in this auditorium. Just in case anybody hadn't noticed. Right, stop grabbing legs and stop saying that you've been dragged, or I'll fucking drag you across the stage and kick the shit out of you.